Business processors. In starting a new business, large investment sum may be interested in starting a simple business, while others may consider starting a manufacture business. So we have a few business ideas. Number 1, screw manufacturing. Screw manufacturing business. A screw is an essential element in the manufacturing of any machine or artificial product. A single association requires knockouts of thousands of screws in a single time. As a result, you can incontinently machine, manufacture, and distribute this screw to all tackle stores in business. If you can communicate and talk well, there is a sizable request for you to thrive in. Number 2, optic frame. Optic frame manufacturing business. The product of optic frames for all types of specs is expanding at a rapid fire pace. Its manufacturing process is extremely straightforward. You could import ministry from demitasse or another country for between 3 to 7 lakh rupees. Because plastic is affordable and raw material costs are veritable low, screws are added manually or with the backing of a machine, and the final part is the design. If necessary, the total cost of manufacturing a plastic frame, including labor charges, is around 150 to 200 rupees, and its selling price is around 250 to 300 rupees. This is another excellent business to begin with 15 lakh rupees. 3. LED light bulb manufacturing business. A LED lighting is now used in nearly every home and is one of the stylish manufacturing business to start with 15 lakh rupees. If you are concerned about ingrained challengers, also there's a lot of competition in this sector, but if you can win a portion of your product, you can earn a lot of plutocrat. This business is successful between it can be completed snappily with 4 to 5 people and has low product cost. You could make it for 15 rupees and win it for 50. Number 4, tablet manufacturing business. A tablet is an essential tool for shaping any country future, and it also serves as the foundation for the numerous business. The image training is not possible without a tablet, and the tablet is essential for education children, so you are supposed to fit the profitability and eventuality of the tablet manufacturing business in just 2 rollings. The maximum investment needed to start a tablet manufacturing business is around 10 lakh rupees, but you can fluently start a tablet manufacturing business with just 5 lakh rupees. Number 5, garment manufacturing. Garment manufacturing unit. Clothes are the appliances that people must wear, which is why this is another business that will nowadays, despite the recession's period, you can start a garment manufacturing unit with a variety of products, similarly as men's garment, women's garments, children garments, undergarments manufacturing for men and women, and numerous more. Number 6, toys manufacturing business. Toys manufacturing business currently guests prefer new and inventive toys. Also, toy timber is an art. People buy toys and atomic circuses for their children. Toys and other educational products should be available at every play academy to keep scholars entertained. Number 7, towel paper manufacturing business. Towel papers are in high demand in cabs, coffee shops, tea stalls, food centers, marriages, and parties, among other places. So you can start a towel paper manufacturing business. Towel paper is a large request with little brand competition, so you can get started in this business and enter this massive request. A towel paper making machine costs between 5 to 10 lakh rupees. This assiduity has enormous implicit for growth. It's one of the stylish small manufacturing business ideas for a low cost incipiency. So that was 7 manufacturing business ideas. So you can start one of them and can earn a lot.